politician and maybe as a legal man in the same fraternity as Tuanku. So how would you describe Tuanku?
Tuanku's reign for 25 years in Perak is one of the most memorable events in Perak we ever had. Number one, we are very gifted to such a learned man. He was a former Lord President. At the age of 37 years old, he is the youngest judge in Commonwealth. That itself is the greatest achievement nobody has ever. And he coming from a legal fraternity, when he was there, he had a distinguished career, impeccable career actually, and his written judgments are still being quoted. A man very learned in the arena of the law. And we are gifted that after he has become Sultan, he has also exhibited those great values. And for 25 years, the state of Perak, although has gone through ups and downs, he has been great guidance to the state government and to the people of Perak. And in this respect, especially since the formation of the present government, he has played a pivotal part to ensure that proper government is governed, and his guidance and his thoughts are always with the people. He is very close to the people, to what I know, and he's very affectionate, and he has been almost all parts of the states of Perak. He was Agong before. He's very well known, not only in this part of the world, around the world. Many people speak very good things about the Tuanku, and I hope he has got a very long reign and life, and he will continue to see through the better side of things in life for all of us. And above all, finally, I must say that he is very evenly balanced. He also has taken a very active part in hockey. In fact, he's known as the father of hockey of this country, and his contribution, his time is very valued, and we will always appreciate his services. I said, Daulat Tuanku.
Okay, the last question, the rapport between politician and a ruler, how do you describe that?
I think in Perak we are very lucky because as far as the state government goes, we have excellent relationship with Tuanku, and because he's learned and he is very well versed with the law, Tuanku knows his duties and obligations, and he has played a pivotal role to bring a balance within all parties, and his advice is very much admired by the state government, and it is something that we are gifted this part of the world to have a Sultan so well qualified to help us to go through these times.
Thank you very much, Vivek.
Thank you
very much.
Thank you for